Hello ladies and gentlemen, everyone has been asking me where is S1000rr. Here she is. She's beauty. Today I got to protect my wallet and my cameras, like this weird thing, but it's kind of work. Anyways, we are fueling her up and then we are off to somewhere nice where I can show you around. Thank you sir. I have to crop that part so you guys don't see my car details, obviously. Don't want that happening on YouTube. Okay, so let's go. Petrol station seems a bit filled, I mean by water, but not anything else. You know what I mean, you know what it is what it is. So let's roll. At least good thing is that I have my own. I see now KTM is completely different than S1000rr. The sound also is completely different than S1000rr, so I don't know how the audio is gonna be like, because this bike is freaking louder. So we are going to go towards that side because it seems like it's going to be raining there. So let's go and check out some rain. So today I'm basically going again to Biker's Cafe. The coffee is good, so why not? But I'm taking a different route. This is more of the inside route. Oh my god, look at those fire brigades. They are on and about. They are ready to go. I mean, their lights are on. I mean, they're ready. See, now this is why we love the bike. They are ready. Anything happens, they are on it. So I'm going to the city. Now the problem is now that's not a problem, but I do not know how the audio is gonna be because the exhaust is different, the bike is different, the sitting position is different, the aerodynamics of the wind is different. So all of those things count, and I do not know how the audio is going to be like. But at least the mic is not hitting my nose. No, for some it will. Wait. If it is not hitting my nose, then it is out of its place. Oh yeah, it is out of its place. Oh shit. That's why we're getting so much of wind noise. Okay, I have to fix the mic because it's out of its place. That's probably the reason why you get all these wind noise for no reason. Because it's actually kind of hanging out of the helmet, weirdly. Look at that flag. Salute! Because this is who we are. We are badass people. And then you go straight. See, now I get it. Now it makes sense. Okay, so this is La Mer. Pretty sick place, right? It's a good place to hang out, chill, food. I mean, yeah, it's a nice place, but in the evening it's much more better. But the reason I came here is to make my cinematic video of the bike. Obviously, park it in the center. You have to be very quick, very fast, because the security comes for no reason. Like, sorry, cannot park. Yeah, I get it. I cannot park. Just give me a minute. I'm not going anywhere, am I? I just need a minute. A minute would not kill you, sir. Where are we gonna do it? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it quick. Neutral, please. Let's do it quick. No time. Phone. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Got it. Let's move. We don't want no trouble. It's a bit of a wet day. on a super sports bike, but I mean, this is what we all are about. We do things which are not really meant to be done. No, I honestly wanted to do a test myself, like to see which one would be better in the rain, S1000rr or the KTM. So we're gonna know now which one does it better. So let's go. It is a bit loud though. It's kind of like annoying the neighbors loud. Hear it. So it has started raining. Has started raining. I'm on Jumeirah Street. I will go to the place where I went with the KTM near the Burj to feel how it feels. But in all fairness, I'm not saying this I mean, I don't care, both are my bikes, but this has much more steady grip than the KTM for some reason. You know, I mean, KTM is not meant to, I don't know, but this does feel like much more more steady than KTM. That being said, now we're gonna go to the rain side, which is that side. Haha. You know what I've done? So what I've done to avoid the... Oh my god, my mic is down. Where's the mic? What the hell? The mic was down, can you believe that? Okay, anyways, I hope it's recording well now. So I'm gonna go to the similar where I went with the KTM. Well, to be honest, right away it feels much more nimble. I mean, it has always been a nimble bike. So yeah, it's a nice weather to ride, and I'm out and riding on my S1000rr. Let me set up it back so you can see. It's good. Water. Oh my god, idiotic me. Obviously I have to be in the water. Come on, like who wouldn't want to be in the water? Which idiot would not want to be in the goddamn waters, huh? You said it, idiot yourself. Well, I'm sure people are wondering, what a stupid guy, he's out on a bike. I mean, what? I like your cap. Not just a cap. Now, as you ladies and gentlemen can see, right in front of me is the most expensive SUV. I mean, damn. Why would you spend so much money? I mean, personal choices, mate. I'm not here to judge. But that looks like, I don't know, weird. But it's very expensive. It's like both my kidneys sold 300 times. So yeah, about 600 kidneys, all in all. It's just a car, not the plate, by the way. The plate is different. Yeah, plate is probably more. Oh, we meet again. We have seen this view before. Windy, like not in a good way windy. It is super windy, and yeah, did not get any rain. I just got wind. What will I do with the wind? Got no rain whatsoever. He's making a video of the destruction caused by the wind. So time to go home because there is nada that you can do. Oh my god, what, I'm stuck with this idiot. No, 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 no. Where are you going? You should not be legally allowed to go there. It's like, da-da. Not allowed to go there. It's super windy, I can say that. Because there is a... What is happening here? This does not look very safe. Look at that, no patience, no patience. Super windy. It is quite windy, to be honest. Hard to keep the bike stable, but when it's windy you do use the momentum against the wind to keep the bike stable. It is not that hard, but you have to be, because the thing is, it's not just windy in one direction, the wind changes, so a certain change in the wind is not gonna be too good. So yeah, today was okay, alright. Like, not too... did not get any rain, but it's fine. I mean, it's not always about the rain. It is always about the rain. There is Queen Elizabeth that side somewhere. So it's a very old ship called Queen Elizabeth, because... I'm not sure, but I think so it was her ship there. There. That ship right there. My eyes. Something on my eyes. It's very windy. It's not really a good weather. No, before it was a good weather. Now it's just windy and not raining. I mean, what is happening here? Why is there traffic? Oops. Wow. You had a bad fall.